So in order to solve x plus 4 equals 15, I always recommend starting off with a little t-chart, an upside down t, I guess. The first line goes through your equal sign, and then the second line goes across here. And that just kind of creates a barrier or like a wall between the two sides of your equation and helps keep you organized and organize your thinking. So on the one side of your equal sign, you have x plus 4, and on the other side, you have 15. So you're going to first start off by looking for the side that has your variable on it. So remember, variable is a letter that takes the place of a number. So in this case, we have x taking the place of a number. So we're going to be looking at the left-hand side. You can't see my cursor, but I'm circling the x plus 4 right now. So we're going to be starting there. So what we first need to think about is what is happening to that x. We are adding 4 to that x. And if you remember from the video, in order to get that x by itself, which is what we're trying to do, we need to do the opposite of whatever is being done to that x right now. So if we're adding 4, we need to think about what the opposite of adding 4 is. And the opposite of adding 4 is going to be subtracting 4. Now we can't just leave it there. We have to remember whatever we do to one side of my equation, I have to do to the other. And that's where this little divider comes in handy, because I can remember that if I do it on this side, I have to do it on this side as well. Now my plus 4 and my minus 4 cross each other out. If I have 4 circles over here, and then I say I'm taking 4 away, I'm left with none. That's why that cancels out. So I'm left with only an x on this side. I can write my equal sign. That equal sign still stays there. I then do 15 minus 4, which will leave me with 11. Now the beautiful thing about algebra is that I can always check my work. Now you might be asking, how can I check my work? And the easy answer is that you just put this x equals 11 into my equation that I was given. So I'm going to put 11 where I see an x, and I'm going to see if my two sides are equal. So I'm going to write 11 plus 4 equals 15. If I add 11 plus 4 and I get 15, which I do, I know I did my equation correctly.